Today we're going to learn about something called patterns. Can you say that with me? Can you say patterns? Pattern. It begins with a P. Pattern. I see a pattern on the screen. Do you see above the children the red and blue triangles? They are upside down triangles. I see a red, and then I see blue. And then I see red, and then I see blue, and then I see red again, and then I see blue again, red, and blue. That is a pattern. A pattern is something that repeats. It means it's happening over and over again, the same thing. We have red and blue, red and blue, red and blue. It's called an A-B pattern because there are only two colors. We've got red and blue, red and blue, an A-B pattern. Do you see any other patterns anywhere on the screen? Look carefully. I see another pattern. Look at the children. Look at what they are wearing. I see green shirt, yellow shirt, green shirt, yellow shirt. That is another A-B pattern. There are, again, just two colors, only green and yellow, and they are going back and forth, repeating themselves. So that is another pattern. We have green, yellow, green, yellow. So boys and girls, what would come next? What would come after yellow if we want to continue this A-B pattern with green and yellow? What would come after yellow? Right, green would come after yellow. You can never, never, never have the same color next to each other in an A-B pattern. So we could never have two yellows beside each other. It has to be a green in between them. That's why it goes green, yellow, green, yellow. And then green would come next, and then what would come after green? Yellow again. Now I want you to look at the slide again. Look carefully. Do you see anything else on the screen that might be an A-B pattern? Something that's happening again and again? Just like the red and the blue and just like the green and the yellow shirts? I see one more pattern on this screen. The pattern I see are the windows. Look at the windows. The first window has 4 little squares, and then the next window only has 2 rectangles. And then the next one has 4 again, and then the next one has 2. So this is an A-B pattern with shapes and with numbers because we've got 4 in one window, and then we have 2. Then we have 4, and then we have 2. So what would come next after the 2? 4 would come next for an A-B pattern. Good job. Let's look at the next slide. Here we've got patterns with bears, and we have a pattern with shapes. Let's look at the first one that has the bears. They've got 2 colors, which is yellow and purple. We're going to look at this pattern. Why don't we look and make sure they did it correctly? Because if we see 2 yellow bears beside each other or 2 purple bears beside each other, that would not be a correct A-B pattern. Let's look and see if they did it correctly. We have a yellow bear, purple bear, yellow bear, purple bear, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. So it looks like they did the pattern correctly. What would come after that last purple bear? Would it be a pink bear? No, it couldn't be a pink bear because only 2 colors are allowed, and we've already got 2 colors. We have yellow and we have purple. It can't be a purple bear because we can't have two of the same color beside each other for an AB pattern. So what would come after that last purple bear? What color do you think? If you think yellow, then you would be correct. Yellow would come after the purple to finish the AB pattern. Let's look at the next pattern at the bottom where we see the triangle and the rectangle. We've got two colors and two shapes, so that would make it an AB pattern. We have green, orange, green, orange. Or we could say we have triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. I like to say the colors, I think. So I'm going to say green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. This is an AB pattern because we've got two colors, and I don't see where the two colors have the same color beside each other. I don't see two greens beside each other, so that's good. And I don't see two oranges beside each other, so that's good. This is definitely an AB pattern. So do you know what would come after the orange? It can't be orange again. It can't be blue or pink or red because only two colors are allowed, and we've already got orange and green. So what color do you think would come after the orange rectangle? If you think green, you are correct. Green would come after orange to complete the AB pattern. AB patterns are one of my favorite patterns. We're going to be learning about some different patterns later, but for now we're going to focus on AB patterns, and you guys will have some other activities to work on today also for AB patterns.